guys, it's Jen. How you doing? I have something fun that I'm gonna make. Four Bear Sticker Club. If you've seen my videos on them, my unboxing, I guess unboxing, but it's in an envelope, of their stickers, the sticker club every month. They've been sending the last few months, they've been sending them in these plastic bags. They're iridescent on the back, and on the front they are, they're like a thick plastic. I think they're polypropylene maybe, I don't know. And they are clear on the front. So they just put out a challenge actually in October's Sticker Club to see how people are repurposing the bags. So I had these tucked away because I was saving them, of course, because they're fabulous, but I was going to use these in an upcoming unicorn themed journal that I'll be making. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little shaker card for said unicorn journal, and these would look, I think this would be perfect. It's going to be perfect for the journal. You wait and see. Now I played around a little bit. Apparently there's not a lot of glues that will stick to this sticky bag plastic. So I did try markers. Sharpies work well. I tried Posca paint pen, but I'm not patient enough to let it dry. So I waited like 10 minutes and it was still pretty wet. So I wiped that off. But on both this side and this side, the Sharpies seem to work well. Permanent markers. Okay, so I got the Bic markers and I got the Sharpies. So whatever you have, the permanent markers. And I'm also going to be using washi tape to put around the edge to seal it. I got out some little rainbow cards here and I'll decide which rainbow tape I want to use that'll be appropriate to the theme. And stickers. I have got a bunch of Four Bear stickers. What I'm going to do is use a sticker for a focal point. So I'm going to use the front of the card. If you have like some pretty packaging like this, but you don't have a clear side, all you got to do is just cut out, you can use like transparencies or like some sort of plastic packaging, anything that's clear. And you can cut it out and that can be your front. So what I'm going to do is I got all these stickers that would work great, but the one I'm using, since it's a unicorn journal, is this one right here. This was in the latest Four Bears pack. So I'm going to use that right in the center as a focal point. But you can also, if you want your shaker card to be, you know, you don't want anything in the middle, you can just kind of decorate around the edges where the tape is. And yeah, so it would work well with many stickers. So I've got like a bunch of Four Bear stickers. I'll be making another one for when I do a celestial journal, and I'll have some my little star glitter and things. Like any of these could work great. You could put like some little clouds up top and then put a little, you know, little blue insides, little ice cream. Here's a fall theme. You could put some oranges and reds and things. There's another unicorn and I thought that was nice, but I think I'm going to use the clear one. I think it'll work better. These though, I did check these. These are also Four Bears. These would look beautiful, like a sea theme in behind it. Fantastic. So, and I also have some other non-Four Bears stickers, just little accent stickers. And you also want something to fill your shaker card with. So I did something really stupid. I wasn't thinking. As you may know, if you watch my craft room tour video, I am packing up my craft room. It's almost packed up to move. So I packed all my glitter away because I don't know why. And I packed my sequins away too. And so I went and I bought this at the dollar store today instead of going through all my boxes and finding the sequins. And I didn't know I didn't have glitter until just now. So what I'm going to do is just make a shaker card with no glitter. But normally I would put glitter. So I've got sequins. Sequins are very nice, especially a little iridescency. And these are very, I thought, unicorny colors. I got little seed beads. I got these are like little flower shaped seed beads. Oh, these ones I thought were flowers too, but they're not. They're pretty big. And then I have like, this is just a mess of seed beads I got somewhere that, oh, now they're everywhere. Yeah, so I'll probably just put a little, oh, look, I got a little scoop in there. put a little scoop or something. Well, knowing me, I'll pick out the different colors. I won't just put a scoop, but yeah. I also have seed beads sorted into colors. Like these just came all in a big whatever mixed. But yeah, I packed those away too because I'm packing everything away apparently. All right, so to get started, what I'm gonna do is first of all, you figure out how big you want your shaker card. I think mine, it'll be an accent on the outside of the journal, so I think I kind of want it like so. It doesn't have to be any specific size, or if you figure out where you want to put it and you do want it a specific size, you have at her. I mean, if you want it full size and you want to use the Ziploc top as a seal, that's awesome. Go for it. That's really cool. But me, this is going to be, it's not going to be a huge journal, so I think I'm just eyeballing it. I'm just kind of, yeah, I'm not making it any specific size. I think that this paper trimmer should work good to cut it. Oh, look at me, I lied. Sometimes I find it's easier to start in the middle. There we go, so the edge doesn't get caught. Boom, there we go. Look at that. Nice. So I'll put that over there. And I think I want it maybe a little shorter too. Find my little thingy sticks sometimes here. All right. There we go. So that is all trimmed down. So now what I'm going to do is use my glitter. I'm not going to put the image on until the end because I'm going to center it. So I want to make sure I can see exactly where it's going to be centered. And I think I'm going to use, I kind of like that one, but I tried it out and washi tape and stickers do seem to stick pretty well to this, but definitely test it before you try it. Yeah, I had looked online and apparently there's like, I don't know, gluing this stuff is apparently a big ordeal. Finding glues that will stick to it. Oh, maybe I don't like this one that much. No, that should work, I think. Yeah, maybe. Hang on. Let's try this one instead. Well, really, I kind of like this one the best, I think, but it's really pastel-y. Let's see how it looks. And it's really thin, too. I want it to be able to cover these little edges. Well, I guess it doesn't have to, but I'm a perfectionist like that. What do you guys think? Maybe that's a little too pale, too. I'm so indecisive. This is me. I mean, even like no matter what washi you have, you know, just match it to your theme. Like even just solid color washi, like this would look pretty too, especially if you don't want it to detract from your stickers. Don't use something too busy. Like this should be okay still, I think. Oh, maybe this one. I like this one. What do you think? All right, so all I'm gonna do is just line it up. Boop. Tear it off. Fold it over. Make sure it's on there good. And then trim. Now I'm going to do the two long sides and then the short side that's sealed and leave the top open so then you can fill your little shaker bag. Or shaker card, I guess. Okay. And there we go. All right. And we'll do the bottom. There. I'm trying to get it so that it folds like over like half and half. And remember too, like if you're using this like me, I'll be using it on the, probably on the outside of the journal as like a little dangle. You'll be seeing both sides. So just be aware of that. I mean, if you want to decorate your back or whatever, I'm going to leave the back because it is like super pretty, right? I don't know how I feel about this white tape, I got to tell you, but I've committed to it, so let's run with it. I might make another one later. All right, so now we fill our little shaker card. And yeah, you can use charms. You can use, like I said, glitter is great. Sequins are very popular for shaker cards. Okay, so I'm gonna put a couple little, and sequins are always stuck together. So I kind of just rub them in my fingers. There, okay, so I've got a couple little like bugle beads. I will put a couple of those in there, or a few. These will pick these up and put them in here. And these ones are little flowers, which I have a few. Okay, there's an iridescent. There's some iridescent white little flower beads. They're kind of thick, but they're really tiny, so I think they'll be fine. And like I said, I'm not putting this in the journal. This will be like dangling on the side of the journal, so it should be fine. I'll put a couple more little iridescent. Okay. We'll put those in there. It's going to be a little chunky. Cute. You know what's going to happen? I'm going to get this all done, and then like when we move in a month or two, I'm going to reopen the top of this card and put glitter in. It's not gonna, I'm not gonna be able to forget about it. That will be what's gonna happen. All right, so I'm actually picking out some whites and, oh, there we go, whites and golds and pinks. All right, so I have put the beads into the shaker card. I went through that little thing of beads I have, or the big thing of beads I have, and I put them into the shaker card. So now we got all kinds of little good things in there. So what I'm going to do is seal up the top carefully so your stuff doesn't all come out. There we go. Again, carefully. You don't want to tip it so everything slides out. There we go. And we'll trim that. I also thought too of making it like cutting the edges like a little tag. I think that would look really cute, don't you? Yeah, you know what? I'm going to do that. So all I do to make this the shape of a tag is I just line up the tag, the top and the edge over here, make sure it's straight, and we're gonna try to get that washi off my scissors. Cut it, and then line up the other side, same. There we go. I think you can get a fancy punch that does this, but whatever, it's just a triangle off the corner. You just need to flip it to make it even. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to do the little edges here. Okay, there we go. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. That's so cute. All right, so I'm going to put my focal sticker on it. So see, I'll be able to center it way easier like that. Okay. There we go. So the sticker sticks actually really, really well to the packaging. But I'm just going to squish it, kind of burnish everything, rub it down. Metallic washi would look really cute. I don't know if it would stick well, but it'd be worth a try. Okay, so I've got that. Let me put, what I'm going to do is up here I'm going to put a grommet. I'll do that off screen because I have like a grommet press thing. Put a grommet. Okay. Put a few little stars, and I'm just going to leave it in place. You don't need to put a grommet. You can put like anything. You can put a little paper clip or put a little tab, whatever, attach some sort of little loop. You can, you know, improvise, work with what you got. Oh, and I also have like, see, these are like epoxy stickers, so they're kind of Oh, those kind of look like bubbles. Save that for mermaids. And I also have some little stickers like this. Oh, you know what? I'm going to put that right across there. Oh my God, that's adorable. Look at that, guys. Put it there. I don't know how well it's going to stay. But I mean, that you could glue because you're gluing your little rhinestone cabs to washi tape. You're not gluing it to the plastic, so it should be good. I have a smaller star. I do have a smaller star. Yeah, you can decorate it with all kinds of little stickers and bits and pieces. So see, I got some epoxy stickers. I got these little candy looking cabs, rhinestoney cab things. I have little rhinestones too, but I think this is good. And even like I have little, you know, little glittery stickers, what have you. Those ones aren't for bears, but they're still cute. So yeah, this is my tag. And what I'll do is I'll put a grommet and then I'm just going to put like a pretty little ribbon or something. I may not show that on camera. I may just show that in the completed, in the picture in the thumbnail. Completed. So yeah, there is my completed little shaker card. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. That is so cute. Okay, great. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.